Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how you can see the password from TikTok on your devices. It can be either iPhone or Android. Please subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments, did you succeed in my way of doing it or not? Be sure to watch this video to the end. Put likes. Let's get started. The first way how to find out and see the password from TikTok, we need to go to Settings on the iPhone, and then open the Password tab. Further, we need here Face ID to work for us. After that, here in the search box writes TikTok, and we find TikTok appears a bunch of different pages. We can go to one of them. We see the username and the password at the bottom. Click on the password, and after that we can copy it, and we don't have to reset it. That is, we put it right away, and it will be in our TikTok. The second way is if you are on Android. You will need to go to any browser. I just go to Safari. You go to Google. Write google.com. Then open your profile in the upper right corner. Click Manage your Google account. And here you click Security. Scroll down and there is Password Manager with you. Open it. And here you have to write TikTok in the search box. And find your application. After that you click on it. And then you have to enter your Gmail account password. And after that, you can see your TikTok profile password. Here is such a simple way how you can do it on any device. Subscribe to the channel. Write comments. Put likes if you liked this video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.